Roll it on your face.
Oh boy. What's it taste like?
Here, Mark, will you take... I'm recording. So just put your hands all in front of the camera.
Is that all right? That's for you.
Oh boy. Good? Is it good?
All right. Some more.
Tell me you're getting
both
this.
Hands now. Both hands now. Cute.
Oh, yeah, it's no.
Mom, you need to get the snap. We're recording it.
Oh my goodness.
Is that good?
Is it good?
Oh.
Boy, sugar.
Like, why is everyone taking my picture?
I want to see him put his fist in it.
Mhm.
Is that good?
Like a grandpa?